rituals. So I know that there's an urge to go to the food stall, but equally important is to start the program on time. So সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি, kindly take your position, come and take the seat. Thank you. অভিজিৎ তোমায় রিকোয়েস্ট করছি স্টেজে চলে আসো। উইড লাইক টু কল দ্য স্পন্সর্স অ্যান্ড ফেলিসিটেট দ্য ডিগনিটারিজ অ্যাজ পার দ্য শিডিউল। তো তুমি প্লিজ চলে আসো স্টেজে। উই ওয়ান্ট টু স্টার্ট নাও।
Is celebrating the 60th year, and we are indeed proud as a team BSS to present before you the best talent this year to make our Diamond Jubilee celebrations even more special. In a few moments from now, we are about to begin the most awaited Nobomi night that you all have been waiting for. Yes, our celebrity is here. We are all set. The stage is set, and we're just waiting for all of you. Ashun, join Korun Amader. Please take your seats and let's have loads of fun tonight. একবার আপনারা এখানে আছেন কিনা সেটা আমাকে জানতে হবে। Are you guys ready? नहीं भाई, এটা আমাদের বিএসএস এর আওয়াজই নয়। Are we ready guys? All right. So let's maintain this energy. Let's sing along with our celebrity tonight. Few moments from now we are about to begin, and before that I request Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya, Vice President Bongyo Sanskritik Sangho, to please come and join us on stage. A very, very important pillar of Bongyo Sanskritik Sangho. He has brought some innovative ideas to our Bengali camp. He's brought some creative people into our group, and today I'm very proud to be inviting this personality who's not only a dynamic vice president but also the chairman of our cultural committee. Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome on stage Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya.
To enjoy the festivity with us by their gracious support. I'll call upon our president, dynamic president, Mr. Deepak Bhattacharya, to please come. Sir, please come in the front. It's an honor for us. Dada. We have the gracious presence of Dr. Jayesh Ranjan, who has been a pillar for us from ages. Our President Deepak Bhattacharya and General Secretary Subrata Ganguly, and also our cultural convener Dr. Dey to be on the stage at the time of felicitation. It's a great honor for me to invite all the sponsors and felicitate them on this auspicious occasion. Before that, I would like to acknowledge the help of Dr. Sudhir Singh, who had been very graciously, who has helped us to attend some emergency. He's one of our very precious member, and he has done a wonderful job yesterday. I think yesterday there was a emergency campaign went viral. As Palak Muchal particular event, I think we had more than 1.6 lakhs views. RJ Gupta, I would like to introduce RJ Gupta. Behind the scene, he has done a fabulous job, and throughout day and night he has been working hard. It's not a simple job. The work starts 3 months back. We have to talk to various vendors and bring them to the fold, and today the success that you see, my committee really deserves a big clap or a round of applause for my committee. Now I call upon Mr. Nandini Srinivas and Swati Dande from Coke. They are one of the major sponsors. They have been supporting us, and Diamond Jubilee is very special. We asked for a good budget, but yes, they tried their best, and they're supporting, they're giving maximum resources to Bongyo Sanskritik Sangho in Twin City. Mr. Nandini Srinivas and Swati Dande. I request our President and Jail Secretary and Cultural Convener to please honor them. President will honor them with shawl. GS will honor them with flower bouquet. Round of applause for Coke. They are one of the pillar behind our entire success story. Mr. Nanduriji, you have been born and brought up in Kolkata. So 2 words of greetings from you.
In Bengali. Shubha Navami. It's always a great feeling coming back to Keys High School, and congratulations for 60th anniversary. Actually, I was supposed to go to Calcutta. ওখানে আমাদের পাড়ার পুজো নিওয়ালিপুরে 70th year, and while sitting there আমার ছোটবেলার একটা ঘটনা I just remember when we were celebrating the 25th year. So পাড়ায় যেমন চাঁদা তোলা হয়. So I was part of a group, and then Topuda used to be our head of that committee, and he used to say, বাড়ি নম্বর 725 ওখানে গিয়ে 500 টাকার কম নেবে না, বলে দাও যে কাল সকালে আসবে না হলে তপুদা. So these were memories which keep reflecting. And little bit of Coke, if I talk, Durga Puja is Coke is always associated with festivals. Where there is festival, fun is there. Where fun is there, food will flow. And Coke, brand Coke is the best, beverage with the food. So all the best. Have a great evening and happy Dasara to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Srinivas Garu. It was such a touching words that you have mentioned. Thank you so much. I call upon NMDC is another big support to us. I request Mr. P.K. Roy to please represent NTPC. Mr. Panigraji, are you here? State Bank of India, any representation from there? Punjab National Bank, Sujit Jha, are you here? Canara Bank, General Manager Mr. Mukherjee, are you here? Incredible India, I'll request Mr. Amresh Roy to please represent Incredible India. And let us do the honors. Take RJ Gupta to please see anybody from corporate. They're waiting outside because we have not been able to give them any card. Request for President to honor Amresh Roy, who is representing Incredible India. There's a big support. Praveen Nedungudi is not able to come. He might come join late. Subrata Ganguly and Dr. De. Next we have Wildstone. We have none other than Ambor Nandan. He has been such a is a part of our support system. Ambor is also a member. We feel really proud whenever he is with us. His brother Arnab Nandan is transferred to Kolkata, but still he keeps supporting us all the time. Rambar Nandan, request of President to honor him with a shawl. Jail Secretary with bouquet. So next is Telangana Tourism. Sir, can I ask you to please come and
Gracious presence of a very key personality of the state of Telangana, the person who has made the Hyderabad the IT hub, and the coming of industries, the entire thing, the credit goes to none other than our Special Chief Secretary of Government of Telangana, Jayesh Ranjan. Can I request all our members to kindly give a very big round of applause for Jayesh Ranjan IAS, Special Chief Secretary to the Government of Telangana. A small message from you on this happy day.
Thank you very much. Shubha Navami, greetings to all of you. Also, the fact that this is a milestone year for the organization, 60th year, and to pull it off so spectacularly year after year after year. Of course, there is devotion, there is religion, but we also see lots of community feeling, lots of bonding, culture, and the totality of this package is what makes the Durga Puja Utsav at the Keys High School so special. I would have been coming here for almost more than 20-25 years, but always look forward to this particular day when I spend time with all of you. So festival greetings and have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
One more round of very big round applause to Sri Jayesh Ranjan ji.
thank you, Goshda. Year after year, we get support from Mahindra Automobiles. Mr. Amit Nandi and Praveen, Head of Sales, Mahindra Motors, are you here? My colleague, Mr. Gupta, can you please bring them to the stage? Autofin Maruti Motors, Mr. Varun Jain, MD, are you here, sir? Shalimar Chemical and Oil, Santosh Kumar, Head of Sales, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Mr. Santosh Kumar from Shalimar Chemical and Oil. They have been supporting us for the last 10 to 15 years. Namishri Builder, Mr. Naveen, Marketing Head Sales. Namishri Builder, Mr. Naveen. Can you please come onto the dais? Thank you, Mr. Naveen, for all your support. We look forward to many more initiatives from your side. Thank you. Sri Varaha Infra Developer, Mr. Jagannath. Round of applause for Mr. Jagan. I request Mr. P.K. Roy to please represent your consultant to NMDC, because NMDC is one of our major sponsors. He is our Dada, our lovable Dada. Round of applause for Mr. P.K. Roy. Thank you. Anybody, I'm asking my colleague, Mr. Gupta, whether we have anybody, any representation from Canara Bank, SBI, PNB. We were going to Shilpa to carry forward the program.
Personalities who made it happen. Give a big round of applause to all our founder members and our senior members who could give us the strength to celebrate the 60th year. Today is Mahanavami Day. We have successfully completed 10 days. We started the Durga Puja on Mahala Day, that is on 21st of September 2025. And today we are already on the 1st October, and tomorrow is the last day when we will be taking the goddess idol for immersion. Dear friends, from 1967 we are organizing the Durga Puja in the Keys High School premises. The Keys Education Society is almost a partner in organizing this event every year. May I humbly request all of you to give a big round of applause to the management committee of the Keys High School, who has given us the opportunity to organize the Durga Puja year after year. Dear friend, next is the wonderful support of the police, more particularly the PS police station Gopalpuram, for their wonderful support they always extend to us in organizing the Durga Puja in its true spirit and its proper perspective. A big round of applause to the Gopalpuram police and the entire police force of the state of Telangana for supporting us in its true spirit. Next is the fire department, who are always ready to help us. Our Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, who looks after the cleanliness. I want one big round of applause to all the officials of the GSD who made it happen. Coming to our Durga Puja committees, ladies and gentlemen, first comes a stall and sponsorship committee. If you see the branding, the collection from the stalls, collection from the branding, the credit goes to the entire stall and sponsorship committee led by the chairman and the convener. A round of applause to the stall and sponsorship committee. Now coming to the cultural committee, right from 21st we are continuously organizing one program or the other. Every program organized this year, our par excellence, and the entire credit goes to the cultural committee, the cultural convener, cultural chairman, our club's cultural secretary. A round of applause to the entire cultural team for doing so. The special book committee, our ladies, wonderful ladies who come early morning at 4 o'clock, cook the food for Goddess Durga, right from Saptami, Ashtami, Navami Day, and they make it happen that the bhog is offered at the right time, so that is general bhog. We are providing the food or the bhog to almost 7,000 to 8,000 participants, our devotees, every day. A big round of applause to wonderful ladies who make it happen. Coming to the general bhog committee, this is another team. They are the torch bearers. The early morning, 3 or 4 o'clock, they come and start cooking to prepare the bhog for almost 7,000 to 8,000 people who participate in the bhog distribution. A round of applause to the entire bhog team for making all happen. Puja committee, the committee which performs the puja inside, very dedicated team who make it happen that everything is punctual and puja is done as per the Panjika which is provided, and we are in time. The devotion is very, very important for the puja committee. A big round of applause to the entire puja committee. You might have seen the good security arrangement in the Keys High School premises. It is like a fort. There are only 2 gates and 1 VIP gate. Everything is very well managed. Today we have almost 50,000 of devotees inside this school premises. Everything is so well organized. A big round of applause to the security committee to make it happen. There are about 25 cameras, and one of the members of the security committee is watching everybody through the cameras fitted in the premises. Coming to the social media committee, you might have seen that we are very active this year. We have a social media partner and social media committee. A big round of applause to the entire social media committee, particularly the youngsters, for making it happen. Reception committee, members, they come early morning and go back home only. They sit in the reception to receive our guests and provide the necessary information. A round of applause to the reception committee. So many banners are erected, including the bhog banners, and the entire credit goes to the banner committee who makes it happen. Round of applause to the banner committee. Create a committee that designs the the particular protocol. Everything is done by the creative committee led by the ladies. And a round of applause to wonderful persons who are leading the creative committee. Then labor committee, we require labor to maintain the cleanliness. If you go to the stall, you'll find that every 15-20 minutes the drums are emptied and taken away. And this is done by the labor committee. A round of applause to the labor committee to making it happen. We have honored almost 400 members on 21st for rendering service. That is the Diamond Jubilee Appreciation Certificate. We have given the Lifetime Achievement Award to almost 200 founder members and senior members, and we have also presented a citation, a wonderful work done by the Memento and the Citation Committee. Round of applause to them for making it happen. Then we have the GHMC helping us, thanks to Kim's Hospital providing us the medical facility right from morning 10 o'clock to night 11 o'clock, and along with the ambulance facility. Thank you very much for providing this wonderful support. And ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our Honorable First Citizen of the Telangana State, the Honorable Governor Jishnudev Verma ji. He has cancelled his Tripura program and came and inaugurated the Sarvajanin Durgotsav of 60th year. A round of applause to our Honorable Governor for making it happen. Dear friends, such a mammoth work, it is a 10 days program. It is done by our members and committee members. And may I request all of you to come and give a round of applause to all the members of the executive committee, all the members of our Sarvajanin Durgotsav Diamond Jubilee Committee, and also the regular members who are making. And last but the least, finally, dear friends, it is you who make it happen. Without your presence, the Durga Puja has got no value. Without your presence, the Durga Puja cannot be celebrated in its true spirit. Please clap for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much. You are the source of encouragement. You are the source of support. Thank you very much. I finally thank the print and electronic media for covering, in addition to our own social media, for covering our entire Durga Puja in its true spirit. Thank you very much, all of you, for doing it happen. And I call upon our General Secretary, another pillar who always behind us. Durga Puja in this century is no more a strictly religious festival. It has attained the status of a, you can say, socio-cultural organizational exercise where people from all walks of life, irrespective of their caste, creed or religion, assemble during Durga Puja in this pandal. What to do? What? To spread the message of universal brotherhood. We meet from puja to puja. I met at least not less than 400, 500 members of the various communities after 1 year, for last year puja to this year. So this is a wonderful platform to support ourselves in Hindu spirit. So I conclude giving thanks to everybody, and I said this is the last day, so let us say Asche Bachar! Asche Bachar! Asche Bachar! Durga Mai ke! Durga Mai ke! Durga Mai ke! ধন্যবাদ।
শেষ দিন, আমি চাই আজকের দিনটা আর কালকের দিনটা প্রত্যেকের ভালো কাটুক। আপনাদের আবার বলছি, আপনাদের প্রত্যেকের সহযোগিতা ছাড়া এটা একদমই সম্ভব না। বিএসএস এর
নেডুমগাড়ি request the President to honor him with shawl, and our Secretary to honor him with the Diamond Jubilee Memento, and Dr. Day to honor him with bouquet of flowers. Now request Mr. Hasan Panigrai ji, आप थोड़ा देर से आ गए, please come over, General Manager of NTPC. He is also a great support to us. I request of आगे आ जाइए थोड़ा लाइट लाइट है Thank you, Manigraji. I now call upon Mr. Amit Nandi and Mr. Praveen from Mahindra Motors. They are also a very great support to our association. They made the shawl and our General Secretary, Mr. Ganguly, to honor him with the bouquet. Thank you so much, Amit. We need more support in the days to come. Thank you so much. Call upon Mr. Santosh Kumar, Head of Sales, Shalimar Chemical and Oils. Shalimar is there with us last 15 years, maybe more than that. And that 10 and 11 stall we can't give to anybody. It is as a right, but right. They always take 10 and 11 stall. Thank you so much, Mr. Santosh. Now I hand over the mic to Shilpa.
Of our organization, of our association, we on behalf of BSS would like to felicitate him on this very special moment. We take a moment to bow our heads in respect and rise in applause for a true pillar of BSS. For 25 glorious years, with dedication, vision and tireless service, he has steered this organization like a guiding light. His journey is not just about leadership, but an unbroken bond of love and commitment to our community. On behalf of each one of us, we extend our heartfelt congratulations and deepest gratitude to our respected President, Sri Deepak Bhattacharya ji, for completing 25 remarkable years of inspiring leadership. I request all our guests who are present here, our family, Team BSS, to please give him a standing ovation, please. I request all of you all to please give Sri Deepak Bhattacharya ji a standing ovation for his dedicated and commitment and the service that he has given to our association to make it successfully run as a president for 25 glorious years. Thank you so much, one and all. মাঝে মাঝে আমরা নিজেরাও আমাদের নিজের নামটা শোনার পরে অনেকে রেসপন্ড করি না বিকজ উই আর সো ইউজ টু আওয়ার ডাক নাম, তাই নীল বলে ডাকলাম, হয়তো নীল বললে তাড়াতাড়ি আসবে। অলরাইট, এখান থেকে ঢুকতে দেয়নি। আচ্ছা,
এই একটা একটা করে সরবেন কি এনারা?
And I thank General Secretary, main convener of the Cultural Committee, Chairman of Cultural Committee, Abhijit Bhattacharya, for bestowing me such blessings. 25 years of presidency was really an honor bestowed on me by my members. I should only bow my head before members for electing me year after year and to lead the club as the president. Thank you.
And yes, we have সত্যি বল, নীল বলে ডাকার পরেই বুঝতে পারলি না তোকে ডেকেছি বলে। Deepak Bhattacharya, who's been practicing law in Delhi at Touchstone, and he is also a student of Pandit Ajay Chakraborty. Very well done, Arijit. Thank you so much for performing and opening the show tonight. And now I request our Vice President, Dr. Dey, to announce the results of the stalls and our sponsors.
As you know, this mammoth crowd, when they spend hours after hours in the stall, they also visit food court, and BSS food court is one of the best and the largest food court of southern India. I think you'll see mini India here. You'll see food from all the provinces and sometime international also. So we have a pleasure in assisting each stall, food stall, and this year we had two categories, veg and non-veg, and we have decided 4 criteria: aesthetics, presentation, pricing, hygiene, and taste. So I declare the winner of non-veg. Non-veg Kunal Foods is the winner, champion for this year. Runners up is Peerless. For vegetarian, Risen 9. We all went there and really enjoyed the food. And the runner-up is Sonar Bangla. I think even those who are diabetic, including me, must have added a sugar level by having so many sweets every night. And of course, a fantastic corporate presentation with the product, style, innovation, society. Because I have seen Mahindra, they have displayed electric vehicle. So it's basically eco-friendly. India is moving towards it. So congratulations Mahindra. You are the winner of the corporate stall and followed by Shalimar. So we will be keeping those mementos and awards in the main reception. We request your representative to come and collect. We don't want to bother you at the moment because there's a lot of crowd. We want you to do business, but request you to come and collect it. Thank you so much.
हीरो का अवार्ड भी मिला और सबसे बड़ी बात आपका प्यार भी मिला सो स्पेशली फॉर द पीपल ऑफ हैदराबाद अ वेरी स्पेशल सॉन्ग
थैंक यू सो मच। आप इतने प्यार से सुन रहे हैं एंड बहुत गर्मी है, मुझे पता है यहाँ पे भी और ज़्यादा लग रही है बिकॉज ऑफ लाइट्स, बट मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। लेकिन लेडीज जितनी भी है और गर्ल्स जितनी भी, आप बिल्कुल भी टेंशन मत लो। आपका मेकअप भी उतर गया तो भी आप उतने ही खूबसूरत दिखेंगे। एंड मेरा अगला गाना मेरा खुद का गाना है जो कि अरिजीत सिंह, आतिफ असलम ने गाया था और पलक दीदी ने भी गाया था। एंड आई थिंक आई वाज 17 when I composed this song, so I hope you will like it. Thank you.
Come on stage, the performer, the singer, the philanthropist, magical, soulful voice, Palak Muchal on stage. May we request Palak to please join us on stage for a felicitation from our BSS team. Welcome Palak ji on stage. You look gorgeous, ma'am. Lovely to have you in Hyderabad. And now may we also have on stage Mr. Jayesh Ranjan ji. Can we have you on stage, sir? Well, the good news that we have to announce right now, Palak ji অনেক আমাদের বললেন ওনার philanthropist activities এর ব্যাপারে, surgeries ব্যাপারে, বাচ্চাদের ব্যাপারে. So government of Telangana has been kind enough to come forward and take the initiative. যারা যারা সার্জারি করার জন্য রেডি আছে তাদের মধ্যে যারা তেলেঙ্গানা থেকে ওদের লিস্টে আছে তাদেরকে ফান্ড করতে আমাদের গভর্নমেন্ট অফ তেলেঙ্গানা has agreed, and this commitment has been given by Mr. Jayesh Ranjan ji.
On behalf of government of Telangana, Special Chief Secretary IAS Jayesh Ranjan ji.
Thank you. I just mentioned this to Palak ji. I told her that all the children from Telangana who are on your waiting list, we will take care of their surgeries absolutely free of cost. So, but what you are doing is absolutely noble, very inspiring. You are a life giver, you are a life saver, and of course, you are a fantastic singer. So, look forward to the rest of the concert.
একটা বড় করতালি হয়েছে, এটা কি big round of applause to government of Telangana and Jayesh Ranjan ji.
Can we also have Palash Muchal ji on stage, please? The youngest composer that we have with us tonight. Wishing him all the very best for all his future endeavors. We're so proud to have such a young talent here in BSS. Can we have our musicians, if you can please step forward? श्री दीपक गुप्ता जी के लिए एक बार जोर से हैदराबादी स्टाइल में आप बजाते रहिए बस तालियां. So that was Cohen Chaudhary. So that was Mr. Jason. We have Mr. Shrikant. Prathamesh. Can we have Mr. Prathamesh? अनुराग जी, थैंक यू सो मच हमारे बीएसएस दुर्गा पूजा में आने के लिए, आपका हनीमून छोड़ के. मिस्टर किशोर. Backstage when her kids are performing here, such a proud moment for a mom. Can we have Mr. Abhishek ji on stage, please? Mr. Abhishek ji has been kind enough to be taking care of the event this evening. Can we also have Mr. Anirban ji on stage, please? Can we have Mr. Anjan ji on stage, please? And Kamlesh ji, thank you so much.
অঙ্কুশ সন্তানের জন্য একটু বড় তালি।